Yo, what's goody? We're back here with more videos. Sorry, man. I'm kind of tired. But yeah, man, we here. We're alive. We are blessed. We are feeling good. And there's really nothing else I can complain about, man. I'm just glad to be alive and glad to be doing the things that I'm doing. And chasing the goals that I want to chase, etc. And I'm just okay, you know. It's a Friday. As you know, like these videos are pre-recorded ahead of time, so just that I always have content for you guys and always stay on top of my game and make sure that I have a video out even for the days that I feel like I'm exhausted or I don't get a chance to record because you know life happens sometimes. So yeah, it's end of October, man. First month in. Second month in with ICC. So far, so good. Progress being made. Learning. I guess it's just the patience thing that I need to still work on. And to not over, I don't say over trading, but like not trying to trade every single day. Like just realizing that you know it's cool. Could just like chill, you know, for a bit and let price do its thing, and eventually like you get your chance, you know. You just get your chance. um it's been it's been it's been good. It started off rough though, but I'm just glad to say that I still have my account. I thought I was just gonna keep losing and losing, so yeah, man, I'm just glad that I'm still here, still have the account. And yeah, close on a Gemma 30 trade. Today I should have actually held it, hit my TP. My first one I thought would bounce off, but initially I was really targeting that low where there was strong buys after that strong push down. And I was meant to hit that level, but it's okay. I just need to work on my psychology and let price do its thing and just really trust in a higher trend. And realize, because I think price is pushed up just to make a lower high, and then it did that. So I mean, if it's buying, it's gotta meet a level of sellers at some point and then push down, especially if it's on a downtrend. It just won't buy up, you know. It will eventually meet a level of sellers. So that's cool. And then give us that lower high or higher low, whatever the case is. So yeah, I'm still currently in a UK 100 trade. Me looking at it now, I would say it's making a lower high, same thing that German 30 did. So with this one, I'm just gonna let it rock and let it do its thing. Leave my stop loss where it is, and just let price do its thing, man. You know, like there's really nothing much I could do at this point. Like I just gotta trust in the higher trend because I'm seeing consistent lower highs and lower lows and stuff. So just letting price do its thing, man. But I'll break it down at the end of the video, towards the end of the video. But I just wanted to talk about how slowly, I don't know if I'm just paranoid, but one thing I have a big problem is with my sinuses, bro. Sinuses are crazy, but anyway, is the fact that I am like seeing like God will isolate you, man. Like I feel like He's isolating me and show me people's real true colors. I might be paranoid, but at the same time, it's like, I don't think I am, because these are the same signs that I've seen with other people that genuinely don't fuck with me. And I know wherever I go, I'm just like, I just stand out regardless. Um, and it's probably the way I speak, the way I look, things I say, and and not everyone's gonna fuck with you like that, bro. So I feel like maybe people just like misinterpret me because they don't understand me. And it's like, but bro, like, how did you take offense to whatever I did or said when obviously how I see it and the way you interpret it is like every time you're gonna interpret something from me, it's always a negative thing. It's like, oh, I was rude, or I have an attitude. It's like, bro, it's sarcasm, like it's banter. Like, why can't you just understand that, you know? And people say one thing and then they just like do something completely different the next, and it's kind of like it's like draining my energy, bro. Cause it's like, bruh, why why you gotta be like that, dog? Like, why you gotta be like that? Honestly, because I've been nothing but a genuine person. I have no reason to like fight with you or beef with you. Like, bro, like, look at where we at right now. Like, in this current situation that we are in, like, just look at where we at. We are working, like, we're not rich. We're still working a 9 to 5. We're still waking up and answering to someone. Bro, we're not where we want to be. So why should we waste our energy on beefing with each other whereas we could just focus on elevating ourselves and probably even like elevating each other, you know? Like, why is it always got to be like, nah, I can't let you in because you're gonna mess up my success. Like, bro, like, you can do whatever it is that you want, and that'll have nothing to do with me, bro. I think I gotta stop watching these shots. I think if I get stopped out, I get stopped out, honestly. I'm just gonna open my gym entry because I love how that played out. But ultimately, like, bruh, I don't know. Like, people just don't like to see you win, bro. And I'm not trying to come off as like, oh, I'm a victim or whatever. People gotta praise me, but it's like, dog, if I show you love and everything, am I entitled to feel like I should also get the same energy reciprocated? Is that a bad thing? I don't think it's a bad thing, bro. Like, you get what you give. So if I'm giving you, like, if I'm complimenting you and making sure like you're aware of, like, I don't know, like, I'm letting you know that, bro, I'm here for you, I care for you, whatever the case is. Is it so hard for you to just also reciprocate that back? Where it doesn't have to be like, oh, like, you gotta compliment, but it's like, bro, like, I don't know. I don't know, man. Maybe I'm not making sense, but for me, man, like, today just like really showed me people's like perspectives on everything and how we interpret things. This is really different. Like, and you can't like go around explaining yourself to other people because they decided to interpret, or not decided, but maybe they interpreted that way, and that's just partly based off the experience and their mindset and everything. And I'm just like tired, bro, of like trying to appease to people and try to like justify their actions towards me. Like, if you don't feel like you wanna like, you know, be cool, you know, and you don't wanna involve me in whatever, then do so, bro. Like, cut me off then. Like I said, like, I'm not stopping you from cutting me off, bro. If you feel like I didn't do anything, either be a man about it or an adult about it, woman about it, and come tell me like, yo, bro, you know what? I really don't like what you did, but so therefore I'm just gonna like step aside because 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, it doesn't align with my energy, and it's just like, yeah. So I feel like we should just keep it at this level, and I think I should also start doing that as well. Like, just be like, you know what? Just so we're not like confused and one person is in the dark whereas the other is like, in the know of whatever of the gist of things. Like, I'm just gonna step back, I'm just gonna you know keep to myself. Like, I feel like we're not completely understanding each other, and that's cool. Ultimately, I don't think we should understand each other. I don't think I have it in me to want to understand, because my efforts need to be focused on elsewhere and on other things. And there's no disrespect to you. We can still be cool. We can talk, but like, you just have to be surface level. Like, I want to ask you for shit, and thank you for everything you've done, because me coming to tell you, it's not like I was just using you and then I let you in the dark, and I'm just like, you know, just done with you. I just feel like with the way things are right now and the vibe that I'm getting, I feel like God is just trying to lead me in another direction. So I'm gonna have to trust Him, because He's the all-knowing person. And yeah, Godspeed on your journey. And yeah, let's just keep it at that, because we can't have like honest conversations like with each other. Then what's the point? Then why do we feel like the need to lie? Because now you're gonna be giving false expectations to the next person, and when you don't deliver based on the expectations you led them to believe, then when they act out, then you're gonna be like immature about him. Like, yeah, he doesn't know how to talk to people. He's rude or whatever. Like, bro, like, oh, he's just rude or whatever. It's like, dog, but you gave me false expectations. So what the fuck do you mean, bro? What do you mean? You led me to believe one thing, and now when I'm expecting that, and I'm trying to hold you accountable for that. Now you want to be, like, up in arms and defensive about it. It's like, dog, you know. And people move weird, bro. Like, I'm just seeing a lot of shit, just like in my personal life, and I don't know who else to talk to about it, because it's like, at the end of the day, like, who the fuck is gonna even understand me, bro? In this, like, the people that are around me, like, who's really gonna understand me? I mean, yeah, I got my brother though, but like, he hasn't experienced the things that I experienced, so it's like, I don't know, man. It's just like a lonely road, bro. It's a very lonely road. So I guess I'm just using these videos just to like sort of understand and dissect what it is that I'm going through, so I can also like internalize and come with a better judgment of what I've experienced and what I'm seeing. Because bro, it's kind of crazy. It's like, people just move different, man. And we will never want to be honest, because we just want to avoid that awkwardness, you know? Like, we just want to avoid awkwardness, like, entirely, and just because we're so uncomfortable with that, like confronting truths and things like that. And it's like, you know what? It's okay, bro. It's honestly okay. If we misunderstand each other, then let's just misunderstand each other. Maybe we just never meant to understand each other. Because some things people do, I don't understand, and I'm cool with that. People will look at me and they misunderstand me, and I honestly don't care. It's not your job to understand me, bro. So don't beat your head around it. to trying to figure out like me. If you don't understand, you don't understand. If you want to actually learn and understand, then your approach should be different. Your approach should be coming from a place of, I'm curious. Like, I would like to know. And like, oh, that's interesting. Not like in a judgment, like, why? Like, why are you like this? Like, that's not normal. And it's like, yeah, you kind of being judgmental. Because when you start using adjectives like you're not normal, whatever, then it's like, yeah, you're not trying to understand. You're just trying to judge, bro. So I don't know. It's a very lonely load, man, and it's kind of like I'm just gonna have to expect the worst, because people I thought that wouldn't backstab me or be bitchy are slowly giving me signs, and it's like, you know what? It's okay. It's honestly okay, bro. I don't have it in me to explain myself. I legit don't. But anyway, that's it from that. I'm gonna be breaking down the trades. Actually, you should know the trade that I took yesterday. I'm tired. I gotta wash these dishes and go to bed, bro. I'm gonna work tomorrow. Damn, it's crazy. Okay, I had to redo that. Oh, yo, like, nigga's tired, bro. Like, legit. But anyway. Yeah, so this is German 30 trade. We took, right about, yeah, so we entered here, right? Then, because price sold off, I actually entered here. Like, yes, finally getting that push. Then it pushed up, gave us a lower high, just dropped. I guess this gap wasn't supposed to happen because it just started selling off. I don't know why it started up there. It stopped me out. Which is fine. It's okay. And then, okay. I entered this morning, yesterday at like around 6 a.m. I was up at this time. And I saw price close below that level, hit my alert. I'm like, okay. Let me just enter. It's like a few hours before session. I thought session was at 9. It was actually like at 10, so it was 4 hours before session. Then prices got aggressive. Then it pushed back up. Gave us that lower high. They gave us a new low. Then pushed up, lower high, then lower low. But then I guess this low is higher. But I'm like, nah, price is still bearish because it failed to break that lower high here. I don't know how to get rid of this thing. Okay, let's just do this. It failed to push above this lower high, so it's equal highs, then it pushed down. It gave us another lower high and lower low, equal low, lower high, sort of, lower low, and lower high. I think I exited somewhere here, if I'm not mistaken, and then prices started selling off. So I should have actually held that trade, but it hit the TP, hit the level that I wanted it to hit. So now you see it's back at a level where there's buyers, as you can see, and it kind of indicated below here, and it indicated below this low here. And I was getting, not clown, but I was getting like eyes, like, because I know for a fact at some point price is gonna come and hit this level. And then that guy's like, yo, how long do you have to wait for that? It's like, yeah, you see, like, number one, we don't trade the same way. Because you want to scalp every day, put yourself in the market every day, risk money and lose it. And it's like, bro, you'd be so far ahead if you just trade on the higher time frames, bro. Like, there's no need for you to be in the markets every single day, bro. And that's the problem that I'm realizing is like with these like mentors, like they create businesses and sell courses and whatever, bro. They like, you'd be so far better off I'm not saying it's all of them, but they'll be so far better off if they actually just taught the right things. Like scalping is cool, but bro, I don't know, man. Like I just really don't understand people. Like and I don't care to understand them. It's like, bro, do you, man? Do you ultimately? Because how are you gonna tell me, yo, how long are you gonna wait, bro? I'm gonna wait for however fucking long it takes. I'll fucking wait because I would rather wait for a confident setup that I could make way more money that you would make scalping, have a stress-free trade, enter it. I enter one trade that sets me up for the whole 2-3 weeks. Whereas you were winning, blowing, winning, blowing, winning, blowing. Whereas you kept blowing and dealing with that mental fatigue from always losing and winning and stop being consistent to just opening one trading and letting it sit, bro. Letting it do its thing, letting it marinate, let it develop and fully develop itself. I take one trade and I let it rock, bro. I let it ride, bro, and I just go about my life and do whatever I want to do. Set my alerts, and then boom. Oh, my alert got hit. That means my TP got hit, bro. Got my money, withdraw that money, go enjoy life. Wait for the next setup. Chill. Let the market do its thing. Because, bro, I know for a fact if we're below this level, bruh, we're actually below that level where it actually got so aggressive. So chances are next week we're probably gonna hit this low again, or hit this low, sorry, and then we'll probably start bouncing back up because clearly the buys here at this level are not strong enough because we broke this. So we are correcting now, getting more liquidity to break through again. Where's the price gonna go? Where's the next level of buyers? Here. Essentially, I could have actually held this trade from up here, dog. I could have actually held it from up here, but it's fine because I'm gonna wait for this setup because it's gonna indicate, oh, it's correcting now. It's probably gonna range, and then when it comes below this level, I'm gonna enter. There's my next setup. Let it ride, let it do its thing, and then wait for the next setup. I've taken like probably 3 trades that time, whereas you taken like what? I've taken 3 trades in a span of like 2 weeks, whereas you've been taking 10, 20 trades, and I'm still like, I'm up, I'm way more up than you, because bro, like, I don't understand this, but it's like we get paid as traders, we get paid for the decisions that we make. So the quality of the decision that you make and take is gonna basically correlate with how much money you make. So if you keep making bad decisions, you're gonna lose money. If you make half-baked decisions, your money is gonna be like, it's gonna be half-baked. Whereas if you make well-informed, documented, detailed, refined decisions, bro, the payout is gonna be even way more, bro. Way more. Because I could have actually held it here, bro. But I'm like, you know what if price doesn't indicate? That's why I even said my alert. I'm like, okay, I want to see what price is gonna do. Is it gonna break through, or is it gonna just bounce back up? Because I could have just like let it hit it. I'm like, okay, let me hold and see, wait for structure to, or take partials off. I don't know if I don't know how to do that yet, but that's if I open more positions. But I'm not there yet. I'm just gonna open with one position, with one big lot size or whatever the case is. I'm not gonna open a lot. That's just too much stress for me. I can't even set stop loss. So I'd rather just set that. Then if I would take out the money, then I'll just wait for it to see what it does. If it indicates below, then okay, then I'll wait for an entry below that level. But not right now. I want price to close below, come back above this level, indicate, give us a lower high. Then once it comes back below that level, then I'm gonna target it. That's my next setup. So I'm already like preparing my mindset of, okay, price already broke this level of buyers. It's probably gonna break it through again. Give us a proper indication. I could actually even take it through as actually I'm gonna set an alert here. I'm gonna set an alert here. It's probably not gonna hit it today. It's fine, but I know Monday will probably break, give us that lower high again. Once it gives us the lower high and starts pushing down, I'm entering, bro. that like I'll probably enter somewhere here depending on how price closes. But you know what? I'm already preparing. Like, okay, this is what I'm expecting next week. So when that time comes, I'm not gonna second guess it. I'm just gonna execute. See, well detailed, documented trades. That'll be like probably my only trade for that week, and let price hit TP, and I'm done. Because I know for sure the next level of buys is sitting here, and I'm just gonna put in that group like, yeah, remember that level I said was gonna price was gonna hit, and you're like, yo, how long would you wait? Yeah, I waited a week, 2 weeks, but I waited for a proper setup. Did not blow my account. I had probably zero drawdown, whereas you were trading every day and losing, winning today, losing today, losing today, winning tomorrow. Like inconsistent, bro. I took one trade and I was winning, so obviously my win rate is gonna go up. But anyway, y'all don't want to hear that because y'all are scalpers, bro. Like, I don't know, I'm not trying to get vexed, but it's like, bro, like, stop talking to me if you're not speaking the same language, bro. We're not speaking the same language. I'm not on your timing. And it's probably like an ego thing, but it's like, bro, for me, I feel like this is way better. I'll probably trade better this way. The way you do it is fine because you're making a living out of it. But anyway, man, and whoever else, like, bro, just do you, man. But I just don't like the fact that y'all gonna look at me crazy. But it's like, if y'all look at me crazy and y'all don't believe in me, and it's cool. Here's another trade we took. UK 100 closed below this level, entered. My stop loss was initially above here. There was like a lower high in the 15-minute. But then once I saw price give us that lower high and started pushing down, then I scaled in my stop loss and put it here. So right now price was pushing up. I didn't hit TP yet. I'm still in this trade right now. So I'm waiting for price to actually eventually get here and hit this level. Then I'll see the reaction on what it does. So I even set my alert here because I know this trade's gonna play out well. And then let me just look at gold. Sorry, this video is gonna be kind of long because I had like a whole psychology session beforehand. So yeah, you see price broke this level of bias because if it's supposed to push up, see it's a lower high, probably equal highs, just because these are just wicks. Honestly, I look at candle closures more so, but see there's a high, lower high, equal highs, but yeah, because it just wicked, it didn't really close, then it just dropped, broke this level of bias, and then I was probably correcting. Price didn't give us that red candle pushing down. Once it comes below here, then we can probably trade it to this level with its bias as well, or even here. But then again, we never know. We just follow price because gold has been kind of weird lately, but it is what it is, man. I haven't been looking at USD or nasdaq. Like USD is just ranging now, so I guess it's kind of tired of pushing up. See, I even knew this trade was gonna play out the way it did. I just didn't take the nasdaq trade, but I'm gonna wait for it to either indicate below this level. Can I set an alert here? I probably can. I think I reached my max of alerts. But yeah, once it pushes, indicates below here, corrects, and then sets us up for the next sell off. We're probably gonna target this gap here, yeah, and hit that gap, and then yeah, that's essentially it, man. Simple trades. It's the weekend now. Market's about to close in the next 30 minutes. I can wash these dishes and then go to bed, bro. But yeah, so far October's done, man. Moving to November now. Yeah, man, we're staying locked in. We're not profitable yet, but we are far better off. And this was my 50th trade. Damn, I've taken 50 trades that I've actually documented. How time flies. I wonder where we're gonna be when we reach 100 trades. Who knows? But yeah, man, thank you guys for watching. If you're liking the videos, please if you like the videos, please like them, subscribe, bro. This journey is just getting started, bro. Like, we're still in the beginning, we're still in the preparation phase, but best believe, man, I'm gonna make it happen. I'm past this funded account. I'm still stacking capital to the side, penny pinching, trying to save as much capital as I can to be the best version of myself. Still trying to lock in on the exercising, everything, bro. Discipline, everything, man. But also like trying to find time to like just kick it, you know. But yeah, guys, thank you. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. This training, like I said, is just getting started. And yeah, Peace. Can I shut this off? Okay.